Hi and welcome back. My name is Daniel and I'm back with a new video. Have you ever received an email where the sender's name shows up as just the email address? It looks impersonal and unprofessional, especially for businesses trying to build trust. In this video, I'll be showing you a simple tweak which you can make in the cpanel or Roundcube to add a custom sender's name to your email so that instead of the username to the email displaying, you should see a custom name that best fits the business. So on my screen, you can see the first two emails here. Okay, so the first one has been sent from one of the email addresses. Okay, and we see that the name that shows is the username to that email. All right, but looking at the second email here, we are able to capture the business name. All right, so by being able to display a custom name like we have here, this shows professionalism. And whenever you are building trust or trying to win a new business, you can easily get it with such an approach. All right. So I'll do the adjustment from the cpanel or from Roundcube. All right. So I'll access my cpanel here. Okay. And access the email accounts. So in this case, I want to make use of my personal email here, daniel@dtechnologies.com. I'll check email. All right. So in this case, checking on email takes me to the email Roundcube. Okay. So in your case, you can either access Roundcube directly from your cpanel or access using the link that you have been given by your admin. All right. Okay, so in here, I need to navigate to settings. Okay, there is this icon. Then under settings, I need to navigate to identities. All right. Then in here, I have the username. Okay, I click on that and a form will pop up on this end. Okay, so looking at the display name, we see that the display name is blank. Okay, and that's why this email shows just Daniel, which happens to be the username. Okay, so I can adjust the display name here and I can talk of, let me talk of DTech admin. All right. Then I can have the organization. Let me talk of dynamic technologies. Then you can decide to have the reply to and the BCC. So for this case, I'll leave them out. Then for the signature, you can also add your signature here. Once you're happy with the adjustment, just click on save. Okay, so once the changes have been saved, let's go back to emails and I want to create a new email. I'll input the email address there, and even before we proceed, we are already able to see the display name here. Okay, so let's proceed and send an email and see if this will reflect. So under the subject, okay, so we are testing display name. So we just have a simple message and click on send. So after the email has been sent, let's come back here and check. So look, in here, we are able to see DTech admin, unlike what we have here, where we had the username. So you can be able to adjust that and stand out. And that's simply how to achieve that. You like the video? All right. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to share the video with your network. Thanks and goodbye.